Western Delray Beach right now. At approximately 9:15 p.m. tonight, units were dispatched here for reports of a possible tornado strike. We had reports of multiple buildings and multiple vehicles that were damaged. Within approximately 25 minutes, we had over 26 units on scene checking multiple buildings. This is a multifamily, two-story apartment complex, and we have gone ahead and done a damage assessment of the area. We found that there were 3 buildings that have had damage to it. At this point, Palm Beach County Fire Rescue has transported 2 patients to a local hospital. One of those persons was trapped in her bathroom. After it hit, she was not injured, she just couldn't get out. Our units were able to gain entry and help her leave the building. We were able to bring our high water vehicles, which we mobilized today in anticipation of Hurricane Ian, and we were able to transport approximately 35 residents from this area to the clubhouse, and we are right now working with the EOC, PalmTran, and the Red Cross to provide shelter for them. This is a dynamic situation. Things are changing. As of right now, there is some structural damage. I cannot tell you what the extent of that is, but what I can tell you is that we have had 35 people have been evacuated from this area. We've had 2 patients transported, and the electricity has been shut out to this area. Do you have any questions for me?
Do you have any idea, Captain, how long the tornado was in this area? Did it touch down, speed through, or what was the
We do not know. It appears that it may have gone from the southwest to the northeast, but until we get a better view of the light and see the damage that's involved, we're not going to exactly know how long it was on the ground for, or if there were multiple touchdowns. Well, I can't even confirm that it was a tornado. It sort of points in that direction, though, and that's the way that we're treating it at this time.
And how did you find out? Was there a 911 call?
There were multiple 911 calls from the area, and that's why we were able to mobilize. Palm Beach County Fire Rescue, we're a Class 1 fire department. We have 50 stations. We were able to mobilize over 26 units to get here very quickly. We have a joint command, unified command with the Sheriff's Office. They actually got here at the same time, helped with evacuation, helped with controlling the scene, really worked well together.
Do you know exactly what time that all happened?
We got the first call at about 9:15. It might have been 9:16, but about 9:15, so a couple hours ago at this point.
Earlier you mentioned that there were 2 patients transported.
Yes, sir.
You talked about the first patient, the female patient. What can you tell us about the other patient?
I have no information on that person other than they were transported to a local hospital.
Even if they had injuries?
Don't know the extent of injuries.
And we saw cars like piled on top of each other further down on Normandy, a tree limb that was in a building. How long do you anticipate it's going to take to clean this stuff up, get the electricity turned back on, and get people back in?
Well, the electricity is going to be up to Florida Power and Light. I am thinking this is going to be an extended time without power, just due to the fact we have storm conditions and it is nighttime, and we want to make sure that everything's safe. Again, so I'm going to turn that over to Florida Power and Light to answer that.
And what was the demeanor, the reaction of the residents? It must have been horribly frightening, but when you were first arriving.
It was very scary for the residents, but I can tell you, in my walking around the scene, there were multiple residents out assisting each other, asking if everyone was okay, seeking out fire rescue to tell if people were okay in other areas. So they were very helpful. They came together as a community. So that's a great thing. That's what we want to see.
And again, you told us about 35 residents here?
Approximately 35. That was my last count. That was about 30 minutes ago. That may have changed, but at about 30 minutes ago, we had 35 people that had damage to their house to the point where it's not safe for them to stay.
And right now, talk about you guys are trying to get them into a shelter?
Absolutely. We have used our high water vehicles, and Sheriff's Office actually provided us with a bus. We've transported them to an area of safe refuge, and that's where they're at right now until we can coordinate with the Red Cross and the EOC as far as where we can get them safely this evening.
Where's that place at?
I do not know. It is on scene here. I think it's the clubhouse, but I can't 100% verify that.